Hey guys, what's happening? Well, hope you enjoyed the little excursion out there in Ocean City. So I'm doing this on May 19th, 2024. So we're in 2025. We'll see if the hunch won, whatever else. Had a good time down in Ocean City. It was, I don't think I'd go there again, but I thought that my favorite place was I went there twice, that I can't pronounce the horse place, the state park. That was fun. Berlin was a nice place too. That's in Berlin, Maryland. But hope you enjoyed it. I did. The boardwalk was fun. We went down to, I didn't tape down Virginia Beach. I've been down there twice. We went down there on that Sunday. Played some mini putt. It was pouring when we left. If you saw the last video you guys saw, the montage yesterday, you saw that. I put that up on the other channel. That got monetized like within a day because it broke 100. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. It's a beautiful day here in Minnesota. I'm gonna go home and get the lawn. Still working on trying to grow the grass. Slowly making work on that, tearing the trees down. But yeah, I don't know. Who knows how many views we got by this time of the trip, but we'll see what's coming. I am going to go to the state fair this weekend. They have a food thing, so I might take my phone with me and then do like a montage of all the stuff that you can eat there or something on my phone. So that might be the next video. I still want to go to a park out there in St. Paul, off of 36, and there's still a pedestrian bridge they just built in Shakopee I want to go to. And 36 is another pedestrian bridge on there too as well. So we'll continue on doing fun stuff. It's just YouTube, as I call it, right? I was just listening to a little bit of live stream today. Mobile Mechanic was there, I guess, because she mentioned him. Wandering Gypsy, and she's doing her live streams over on Patreon, and she's getting blowback because now people don't want to pay for her stream, which I don't. But yeah, I get Patreon. I saw someone on Facebook wanting donations and try Patreon. You can listen to any of my audios or my videos for free, and you choose to like it. I never asked for a goddamn penny, but it was pretty interesting. She's getting blowback, and then she's not sleeping in her Jeep this summer. She's just staying in cabin. So the ambiance of her sleeping in her truck, which people like to watch, is kind of changing the narrative of her channel. She seems like a nice lady, but I've always said, when you separate your listeners like she has, nice person, and it's taken her like 2 days to put up videos because she's got to get a better laptop. And I get it. You want to upload, but her goal is to get to 100,000. Doesn't really matter. You can have all the subs in the world. When I'm doing this right now, I think I have 2,200. Doesn't mean a damn thing. A lot of my old subs are from old. I think she got subbed up from the Huss, and some people don't always just say. I only give out certain subs to certain channels I like. So, but I just saw that today. I was kind of listening to it. It's like she was, like I said, I don't sub to her. Once in a while I might watch a video, but if it's maybe 12 minutes, but she has these 30-minute videos that she does, and those are too long. If you look back, Cartbaggers, in May, he was in Minnesota. It was 30 minutes, 28. I watched not all of it, some of it. He went to the Shoe Tree over by University of Minnesota. I know exactly where that's at. I thought I saw him for some reason. I was right. I saw a guy with yellow Crocs. I had passed him by. He had yellow Crocs. I was like, that was him. But, he does these long-ass 40-minute videos. I get a live stream when you're talking, but on a podcast, but you want to show somebody something on talk about you guys something. I show you something. When I did the boardwalk, I cut up into 8 pieces as I walked along, you know. But we had 2 gate changes before we left, and we were an hour late getting out. 2.5 hour drive stop. We stopped at Wawa. We got some chips. So hers are her favorite chips. So they're in every store out there because they're on the. They are made out in Pennsylvania. So we were going to go up to Baltimore and go to the zoo and go to a ball game, but the guy goes, the zoo's not that great. Instead, it was an afternoon game. They were playing Tampa, I think it was. So instead, we kind of hung out, drove down. It was fun to go across Chesapeake Bridge and tunnel. You saw that, the 2 videos. It was $16 coming and going. It should be a 24-hour pass, but it said that on there, but it was something about with the lady. I don't know. It makes no sense, but that should be that kind of a pass where you coming and going. We hit 2 tolls on the way down, just $1 each, but that was a pretty cool ride down at Chesapeake Bay. I thought that was kind of cool. I'll come down to Virginia Beach, so we just spent a day down there, walked on the boardwalk, kind of killed some time. It was fun, and they're really building over here. Building over here off of, because right over here in front of me is used to be Toys R Us and Montgomery Ward's, and then they were going to put something in there, but over here, my left over here, was empty, and they're building apartments in there. The dead lobsters up here. I'm gonna roll into Wendy's and get something to eat. But yeah, it was fun. We had the time. I was gonna use my DJI on this one, but when I took my camera, I took this one. But I always carry the microphone for both in the car. So, but I wanted to use the DJI one. But we're on the GoPro 10. But I just used the DJI once, and that was the one you saw because it was raining outside. I had to bring my cover for waterproof, so kind of want to give you the idea. So, yeah, the building over here on the left. But no, it was fun. I can imagine summertime down there. Oh, it's probably nuts down there. You know, good for family. Water was extremely cold. It was really, really cold down there, but. I try to keep videos to 10 minutes for you, and I can put them up on TikTok and see how they go. TikTok, they like the 15 minutes. When I was listening to one of my favorite young ladies is Call Me Chris. She's really creative, beautiful, and sweet. Really good at what she does. And talking about people exploiting their children. There's some chick, I guess, has a 4-year-old girl that she's videoing, I guess, for TikTok. I think I saw one come through. I just move on when I see that, but talk about people exploiting their children for money, and it's like, are you not surprised? It's people do. They don't care. Let me see here. Hello. I'll take one double cheeseburger. And no, just a medium pop, and the double cheeseburger, and that's it. 1 pop, medium, whatever you got, diet.
Diet Coke?
Yeah.
All right, that'll be all.
That's it. How much?
It'll be $11.10.
Thank you. Bye. $11.10. Okay. Ookie dookie. I like Dave, so I like it. But anyways, but I've always liked her. She's really good what she does. I'd hire her tomorrow. Call Me Chris. But she deals with creeps every day because she's beautiful. Men are visual, right? So she talked about that in the video. That's like, it's on TikTok, Mike. I think I talked about a video where she had to move because I think she lives in Canada. And these idiots were coming to her house. So, which does that not surprise you? I've told you before, Wonder Hussy, right? People have come to her house. And it's unfortunate that people have done that. I don't know, but like I say, you can reach out and talk to your YouTubers. If I want to keep behind the camera, send me an email. I can send Wonder Hussy email. I can send Wandering Gypsy, Cartbagger, Daily Woo, whatever. I can't send Courtney Cox's email. My point, but it was a pretty good video she did. I call my Chris. I'd hire her tomorrow, put her in a bit right along with this other redhead I see once in a while. She's really good too as well. And my other favorite one was that one lady that has cancer. She's a married woman, but she's very creative. Daily Grace, very funny. But I think Savage at one time that some rapper put a movie together with a bunch of a video with a bunch of YouTubers. There are creative people on here that are good, but you know, I had a good time. You know, you go on vacation. Maybe next year we'll go to Block Island. Maybe get stalked by the resident stalkers. Who knows? But yeah, 2 vacations like that in 1 year. You guys saw the hockey ones. We were out there. I did win some money on my Troy Apron number 8. We walked out of the casino with, I think, between us both, I think we cleared 200. So that was fun down there playing that. So it's a nice day. Hopefully we had a good summer and hopefully a lot of snow. But yeah, we had fun. But yeah, if you're a female YouTuber and you're good at what you do, like a lot of these women do, gotta be careful because men are visual, women are emotional. There's one guy on TikTok. I think he's gay, but he lip syncs to a lot of different movie parts. It's funny as hell. So there's a lot of good creative people on TikTok and on YouTube. Just look around for them and give them a little love. So anyways, you guys, hope you enjoyed the little adventure. We got more stuff coming. I want to do some snorkeling, get that stuff done, and whatever you want to do. Some other stuff we can take you on. So probably change the adventure channel to have some fun, right? So anyways, how you doing?
Good, how about
11:10, right?
Yep.
There you go. But anyways, guys, got enough? There you go. But anyways, guys, we'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy it.